Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. But if in your case this list is so wide and you do not have the time to do it manually, I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, so I will mark everything in order to remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data, confirm it with clear, and as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is right now empty, of course, and it means that we just successfully removed everything. So starting from the previously visited websites and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to remove browsing data in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.